Hey folks, I bought and tested these top 5 dash cams so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After scouring through countless options and putting them through their paces, I'm here to give you the lowdown on which ones truly stand out in the crowded market. Product number 1, Teransol D016 Dash Cam. I recently installed the Teransol D016 in my car, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. The moment I turned it on, I was blown away by the clarity of the 4K front and rear recording. It's like having a security guard for my car, capturing every detail in high definition. The 170-degree wide-angle lens left no blind spots, ensuring I could see everything happening on the road. I particularly loved the built-in GPS feature, which not only tracks my speed, but also geotags my videos. This is crucial for providing evidence in case of an accident. The app connectivity was a breeze too. I could easily manage recordings and settings straight from my phone. Plus, the 128GB memory card included right out of the box was a nice touch, allowing me to start recording immediately. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the 4K resolution is fantastic, capturing vibrant colors and details, especially during the night, thanks to the Super Starlight Night Vision. The G sensor is another standout feature, automatically locking any collision footage to ensure it's not overwritten. The 24-hour parking mode is impressive too, providing peace of mind when my car is parked. However, on the downside, I found that the installation could be a bit tricky for those not tech-savvy, and the need for a separate hardwire kit for parking mode might be a hassle for some. So, why should you buy the Teransol D016? If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality dash cam that covers both front and rear views with exceptional clarity, this is your best bet. The combination of advanced features and user-friendly app support makes it an excellent investment for anyone serious about vehicle safety. Product number 2, Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. Next up is the Rove R2 4K Dual, and I have to say it's been nothing short of impressive. I installed this beauty, and right from the get-go, the dual-channel recording was a wow factor. The front captures in glorious 4K, while the rear tags along with 1080p. This setup offers a comprehensive view of what's happening in front and behind me while driving. What really sealed the deal for me was the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which handles low-light situations with ease. Night drives have never felt safer. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi is a major plus, allowing swift downloads of my footage directly to my smartphone at speeds up to 20 megabytes per second. The built-in GPS feature is also handy, giving me real-time speed and location data that's recorded onto the video. On the downside, while the camera has a lot of features, the initial setup was somewhat daunting. Additionally, the parking mode requires a hardwire kit, which is an extra purchase some might overlook. So why should you consider the Rove R2 4K Dual? It's perfect for those who want high-quality footage with excellent night vision and easy access to their recordings. If you're looking for a dash cam that combines cutting-edge technology and great performance, this is a solid choice. Product number 3, the Red Tiger F7NP Dash Cam. The Red Tiger F7NP has also caught my attention, and for good reason. After using it for a couple of weeks, I can confidently say this dash cam delivers on its promises. The combination of a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera provides a stunning level of detail. The Starvis 2 sensor really shines here, making nighttime recordings crystal clear. I often drive at night, and this feature has given me a great sense of security, knowing that everything is being captured accurately. Pros and cons? Well, the fast built-in Wi-Fi and the accompanying app make managing my videos incredibly easy. I can download and share clips directly to my social media or with my insurance company without any hassle. However, I did notice that the camera can get a bit hot during long drives, which might be a concern for some users. Also, the parking mode, while effective, requires a hardwire kit for optimal functioning. So, why should you buy the Red Tiger F7 NP? If you want a reliable dashcam that excels in clarity and has excellent night vision capabilities, this is a fantastic option. It's especially useful for anyone who frequently drives in low light situations. Product number 4, the Teransol D018 dashcam. Now let's dive into the Teransol D018, which offers something truly unique. A 3-channel recording system that covers the front, rear, and cabin of your vehicle. I was curious about how it would perform, and after installing it, I was pleasantly surprised. The 4K front and rear cameras, alongside a 1080p cabin camera, provide comprehensive coverage. I felt a significant level of security knowing that not only the road ahead and behind were being recorded, but also what's happening inside the cabin. In terms of pros, the 3-channel feature is a massive win for family trips or rideshare drivers. The night vision capabilities are also excellent, ensuring clarity in low-light situations. But on the downside, the installation can be a bit complex due to the 3-camera setup, and again, you'll need that hardwire kit for full parking mode functionality. So why buy the Teransol D018? If you're someone who values comprehensive coverage and security, especially if you're a rideshare driver or often transport family, this dashcam is an investment worth considering. Product number 5, iWay N5 4-channel dashcam. Last but not least, we have the iWay N5, which features a fantastic 360-degree view. This dashcam is designed to capture everything happening around your vehicle, and I found it to be quite impressive. The 1080p quality across all 4 channels ensures that I never miss a moment, whether it's at the front, rear, or sides of my vehicle. It's especially beneficial for tight parking situations where knowing your surroundings is crucial. On the pros side, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to control the camera and manage recordings through the app. The 24-hour parking mode is another feature I appreciated, offering time-lapse and impact detection modes for added security. However, the lack of GPS might be a drawback for some who prefer to have speed and location data on their recordings. Additionally, the installation can be a bit tricky, especially with the multiple camera setups. So why should you consider the iWay N5? If you're looking for a 360-degree protection system that captures everything around your vehicle, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want comprehensive security and visibility while driving.